Hey there, Titans. Today I will show you how to get the Titan add-in for Microsoft Excel. Now, as you can see, I have a blank Excel file open here, and all I need to do is go to the top right corner, click on Add-ins, Get Add-ins. The Office Add-ins window will appear, and search Titan, and just click on Add. It'll ask me to review the terms and conditions. I'm going to click on Continue, and in a moment, you'll see the Form Titan window opens up here. Now, if I close this window, I can always access it again by clicking Form Titan on the top right. Now, if I click on Let's Start, it's going to ask me for my Titan credentials, which I'll quickly input. And let's click on Sign In. And there it is. So what I'm going to do, I'll just quickly set up a table here, show you that it works. Let's get my accounts, get my name and annual revenue, insert table. Now, under Preview, I'm not going to set up any filter, so by default, it's going to grab all accounts and return 100 of them. So if we click Preview now, there we have it, a list of 100 of my accounts and their annual revenue. And that's how it's done.